Hey, what is up guys, it's Brooklyn here, back with another video. As you can see here, I've got my hands on two brand new Google Home Minis. One in the charcoal color, and the other one in this chalk color, kind of lighter gray I'd say. Now, of course, as you can tell here, two brand new things. That means a tech unboxing video today. Not much to say, but I know this is kind of late to unbox these Google Home Minis as they have been released quite a while ago. I believe actually last year in October they were released, so now it's over a year. But anyways, it's the Christmas season and there's a lot of tech to be unboxed, and I'm sure a lot of you guys will have a lot of Christmas presents to unbox as well. So just to get into the Christmas spirit a little early, we're going to be unboxing these two guys today. So looking at these Google Home Mini boxes over here, as we can see, this is how the Google Home Mini looks. On the side we can see that this is sort of like an introduction. Of course, we know that these Google Home Minis come with Google Assistant installed inside. So here are some of the sample things you can say to Google. Yeah, here's some of the sort of how they brand it, how they their selling points. And then over here, of course, we know this Google Home Mini works with a lot of the smart home items that are popular in the industry and in everyday use today, like the Nest things, YouTube, Chromecast, also Philips Hue, one of the things that I love to use, and also with Spotify. Unfortunately, it does not work with Apple Music as of right now, and I don't think it will in the future, but if you are a Spotify user, this will be very beneficial for you, as it will respond to your commands when you say requested to play a song from Spotify or search up a YouTube video. So this thing is very good for people that are already in the Google ecosystem. For someone like me that uses an iPhone that I cannot find with me right now, but it's also useful because I can actually get the Google Home app to use with this device, this smart home speaker. But other than that, it's just sort of if you want to use it, you have to be in the Google ecosystem. So without any more of my boring kind of speech, without further ado, let's get right inside the box and see what we've got inside. So let's get this thing unboxed. If I can get my scissors out and cut it open. I think that will work. Or not. Let's see how this is gonna go. By the way, that's a very dangerous way to use scissors. But for the sake of time, let's fast forward this space.
Approximately 10 hours later.
So that took a bit of time to get this plastic off, but anyways, we're gonna continue with our unboxing. Hey, I'm not that much of an expert. I haven't unboxed enough tech yet, but we'll get this soon. Okay, so here we go. How does this thing open? Oh, right here we have a pull tab, and under it says Google Home Mini with the charcoal color, as we can see. Okay, let's get this thing open. It's kind of weird for me to unbox it facing the camera, you guys, so anyways, let's see how this thing works. Ooh, okay, so it opens up like this. So there it is, the brand new Google Home Mini right here on the top. Let's take that out first. Ooh, and it has a really cool bottom, sort of the silicone pattern in an orange color. That matches I guess it kind of matches the charcoal gray. Anyways, what I've known from seeing other YouTubers' videos and from my own knowledge is that there's actually a mute button that will allow you to mute this Google Home Mini. So when you don't want it to listen to you, for whatever reason, you can switch it very easily from here. So just switch the switch and then it will be muted or unmuted. And next to that, what we're gonna find in this box, let's take a look. Let's get started, guys. So some kind of quick start guide kind of thing. Let's tear this up and see. Let's get started. Get to know your Google Home Mini. And we have, ooh, be safe. Some kind of safety and warranty cards. That is important to know. Next to that, we have the wall charger, or the wall plug-in thing that you have to plug into this Google Home Mini in order to use it. Of course, it's a smart home speaker. It does not have any built-in battery, so you're gonna have to be plugged into the wall whenever you want to use it. Let's see if we've got anything else inside the box. I don't think so. Everything is out. So very basic, nothing really much. Just the Google Home Mini and the cable that comes with it. So that is it for this color. For the other box of the chalk color, I'm gonna skip a bit of this part because this is very much the same thing as the charcoal one. So we're gonna actually just go for it. I just want to unbox this one for you guys as well, just so you guys can see a color comparison between the lighter gray, or the chalk color in this case, and the charcoal color, which is darker gray. Personally, I like the charcoal gray, the charcoal more. This is very confusing color, by the way. I like the charcoal more because it matches my space gray kind of theme that I like to go with. This one's sort of just in the middle, kind of silvery, I guess, but it matches my space gray kind of aesthetic that I like to achieve. Anyways, also the orange kind of bottom. I didn't expect that one for this, but same kind of thing. We're gonna do color comparison after. Same things inside the box. You have your let's see, hold on. You have your quick start guides, your warranty kind of things, and then we have our charging cable again. So same things in the box, nothing too special. Now let's get into a color comparison of the two. So here is the charcoal color and chalk color. This one is actually a lot darker than I think the box has shown, but yeah, as you can see, this one, charcoal and the gray. So you guys decide for yourself which one you like and leave it in the comments below. There's also a aqua color, or some kind of light blue color that I'm gonna show right here, and also a red color that I'm gonna show over here. I think it's called coral. So that is it for this video. Guys. Thank you so much for watching my tech unboxings. I'm gonna be testing these two guys out for the next few months, or if I like it, I'm gonna be keeping them. So that is pretty much it. It's gonna be working with all my Philips Hue. I'm hopefully gonna get it hooked up to my YouTube, so I can hopefully check and watch YouTube videos and have those commands work. But definitely, I'm not a Spotify user, so I'm not gonna be able to use music services. And I'm also gonna be, one thing I'm actually really interested in testing with these Google Home Mini is that the upward firing speaker, and see it for myself, how loud or how not loud they are, and compared to other smart home speakers that I've experienced outside of this Google Home Mini. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up on it and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for other future videos that you're gonna get notified for. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in one of my next episodes. Bye!